Send the next load through.
Raw juice enters the liming system. Milk of lime raises the pH. Impurities now begin to settle.
Inside the heaters, limed juice passes through massive stages. Steam transfers its heat, raising temperatures to 100.
The flash vessel removes dissolved gases before the juice enters the large 10-meter clarifier. Here, the settled mud separates. Giant rotary drums process the mud slurry. Vacuums draw out the residual juice. A scraper removes the dry cake. Inside the station, juice enters the train. Giant vessels boil it under a vacuum. Fresh steam heats the very first effect.
Looking good.
Inside this tower, concentrated syrup flows downward, bleaching its color-forming compounds. Operators manage the toxic system.
The crystal growth is looking perfect.
The pan boiler carefully manages the vacuum. This allows existing crystals to grow. Individual sucrose crystals are Inside the refinery, raw sugar is mixed with a warm, heavy syrup. This softens the surface molasses without dissolving the crystal. Inside the refinery, sugar is dissolved. Carbon dioxide creates a fine precipitate. Pressure filters leave the liquor. Inside these columns, resin beads remove impurities. The dark liquor enters the bed and emerges nearly water. Here, the purified liquor is concentrated. Evaporators raise it to supersaturation. Operators strictly control temperatures. This white sugar requires precise control. Any inconsistency is immediately apparent. Crystals grow in a near colorless.
Inside the dryer, damp crystals enter. Flights create a cascading curtain. Hot air flows countercurrently to dry them.
Cool air fluidizes the bed. Crystals flow like liquid, cooling from hot to cold. Vibrating screens classify the crystals, removing oversized lumps and fines. Sized sugar advances to Sugar bags enter the case packer. Cases are erected and sealed. Robotic arms build stable pallet layers. Then,